So I'm at the Loves and there is a hailstorm going on. It just started crazy. Now the roads are turning into ice rink. This is a reality of long haul. Sometimes you have to drive to the White House just to make your delivery. Very urgent. You always have to be very patient and alert while driving in these conditions, especially the truckers. So next time you see a trucker sleep like this, please show some respect. He has earned it. You don't know what he has been through last night. God bless. Peace out.